What'd she tell you that for? Huh? Maxwell. What did Angel tell you? I told you not to listen to that kid. Well, she's gonna get you in trouble. That's what she's gonna do. Did Angel tell you that story? Did she? Were you listening to that kitty again? Well, I told you. I know, but you shouldn't listen to kitties. They get birdies in trouble. Really? Are you sure? Huh? Why did she... Yeah. What did she tell you that for? Yes, kitties get birdies in trouble. That's why you don't listen to kitties. I know. Remember, she gets you in trouble. She tells you stories. Yeah. Angel likes to get you in trouble, huh? I know. Yeah, she tell you stories. Does she tell you stories while I'm at work? Did she tell you that one too? Did she? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. I can't believe it. What are you doing to my hand? Excuse me. Do we need that? Yeah. Come here. You're supposed to whisper, remember? Are we whispering? Is that your soft voice? I said use your soft voice, yes. Well, you're supposed to use your soft voice. Huh?